Today I'm sharing a creamy and fruity tapioca recipe made with tapioca, custard and topped with fresh fruits. It's a sweet and satisfying treat you can enjoy hot or cold. Start by blending soaked tapioca until smooth. Then strain out water completely. This helps with texture and cooking. Pour your blended tapioca into a pot of boiling milk. Stir constantly to avoid lumps. Keep the fire low. Keep stirring gently until the tapioca turns translucent and smooth. This means it's fully cooked. Mix 2 tablespoons of custard powder with some water. Pour it into the pot and stir quickly to combine. This gives your tapioca a rich and creamy texture. Now add sugar and stir until it's fully dissolved. Once everything is well combined, take the pot off the stove and pour it into your serving bowl. You can let it cool or serve it warm. And that is it. Your tapioca recipe is ready. Serve it hot or cold, depending on your mood. This is the fun part. The fruits I'm adding: red apple, green apple, pear, grapes and coconut. Mix everything gently. You can add any seasonal fruit you love. Mango, banana, berries work great too. It's creamy, fruity, nutritious, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy home making and lifestyle ideas from my kitchen to yours.